Did you know that Saturn's moon Enceladus is shooting massive water geysers into space right now? These aren't just ordinary water jets. They contain complex organic molecules and chemicals from hydrothermal vents, the kind that created life on Earth. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. Beneath Enceladus's icy surface lies an ocean twice the size of all Earth's oceans combined. The Cassini spacecraft detected silicon-based particles in those geysers, particles that suggest biological activity. The moon's interior generates more heat than Earth's core. In complete darkness, 600 million miles from the sun, scientists believe multicellular life forms are thriving, swimming in an alien ocean we've never seen, a hidden world that could rewrite everything we know about life in the universe.